So I received this set of 90 gloves from the company, and I garden, so I was super excited about receiving them. This does come in a resealable package, so that you can go ahead and take out what you're needing and then you can close it up and put it away for storage. It comes in three different colors, and one of the biggest questions I have is what is 9 inches? Because that doesn't give you an idea as to if it's small, medium, or large. So placing it here on the ruler from the end of the glove to the tip of the middle finger, you will see that this is actually 9 inches long. So what does that do for you? Well, basically what I would do is I would recommend that you take your older set of gloves to determine what the size of your hand is based on that glove. Now, I wear a size medium, so as I'm putting these on, you can see that they're a little big within the thumb here, as well as in the pinky. There's just a little bit of space on each end because I wear a size medium. So these are definitely going to be between a medium and a large. And every single one of these are going to fit exactly the same. So when you're buying the pack, you know that you're all getting the exact same size. Space in all of the fingers, specifically the thumb and the pinky. Now, as far as space in between my hands and around the glove itself, there is none. These gloves are actually very thin. They're very lightweight. They're designed with an elastic on the back of the hand and then rubber on the palm of the hand. And I like the fact that they're lightweight because I don't like it when my hands are sweating, when I'm doing gardening work or any other type of outside work. Essentially, this allows my hand to breathe and I don't feel like my hands are getting sweaty. Overall, this allows me to have multiple sets of gloves in different locations in my home instead of having that one pair of gloves that I always seem to misplace and can never find.